Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Honda HR-V. The HR-V has a good-looking exterior with a clean design. It comes with a well-tuned suspension and a handsome and flexible interior with tons of options to choose from, and is priced below $25,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, fog lights, CD player, trip computer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.